Alright, well, I just wanted to make another little video on this radio I've been working on, this Philco. Just wanted to show that I've been working on this circuit through here, through this area, and down here, and in here. I don't know if you can see that or not, but in this area. And I was able to get the output transformer moved out of the way so I could get some new caps in this area here. And I had to replace some more wires that were just too crispy to live with, so I got under there and replaced some heater wires, pardon me, and some signal wires here to the plates, to the output tubes here. There's still this wire here that I'm poking at down in there. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's kind of crispy. I might replace it. I mean, it's not real bad, but it's a little crispy. And I've replaced pretty much every resistor and every cap, so, except for the micas. I haven't replaced those. I don't think it's necessary. Every one I've measured so far has been within tolerance, so I haven't started working on this part of the circuit over here yet. And I need to do some testing before I do that. Make sure everything's still kosher. I was doing a little more research and looking at the papers that I do have, and I found out this little guy here. It's covered in wax here. I thought it was going to be some kind of a capacitor or something, but it's actually an IF coil, is what the parts list describes it as. It's some little type of IF coil type thing. Better be careful with that guy. So anyway, I got this hooked up. I was putting a signal through for testing out this part of the circuit, making sure that I didn't destroy the output transformer or mess it up. And it's still good, so I get plenty of signal through there. I was just putting a tone through it. I wasn't doing a radio frequency. And that's the antenna, and just let it go through the system and pick it up. So anyway, that's the progress I've got so far in this radio and the circuits here. Pretty much have just worked on the amplifier side here. And I still got to go, like I said, I got to go through this part of the circuit and replace some stuff. And I'm hoping these IF cans are still going. I don't know. They've got some really crispy wires in there. I may have to take them off and just give them a total rewire job, which is kind of scary, I guess, but you got to do what you got to do. I haven't posted a video for a while because I had to do some reorganization of my stuff here, and maybe I'll show that. Stand up here, and I put a shelf in, and which helped, and I built me a different current limiter. I got a limit, off, and full power bypass. So that made it makes it a lot easier. I can just run a switch instead of unplug, plug, unplug, that kind of thing. And then I can just keep my unit, whatever I'm working on, I can keep it plugged into the isolation transformer down there. Made my tube tester a little more handy, and I did test all the tubes on this radio, and they all tested really good actually, except for the rectifier tube. I had to replace it, but I did that early on in the project. And I just kind of cleaned things up around here. Getting a shelf in there helped clean things up. I was just accumulating too much crud and piling it on my little work table here that I got downstairs. But for now, I think I'm okay. But anyway, yeah, I just wanted to make a little progress report. So that's about the end of it there. So if you watched, thanks for watching, and till next time, bye.